So you know it's Christmas, everybody looking to get work done. I still have these doors here to be delivered. I already carry the vanity to the customer. The shells are there being made as we speak. And another sheet of plywood there to cut it right here. Then I have the chairs. I put that project on hold. Have another kitchen coming in just now to be done. And yeah, so guys, a little production happening, a little fast-paced production. So I'm going to do a fast-paced video to match the production. No time with fancy editing or fancy software. Just putting in the work, putting in that time, guys. I got to buy some blades for the power saw. Got to get some new bits for the router. And hopefully I'll be able to show you all the amount of work that I'm producing, that I'm pushing out. You see that reflection in the videos. So much work, so little time. So guys, come and watch me do this. I'm going to show you with this bookshelf. And I'm going to turn to that now. So tune in, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. You know what I mean? Support my channel. And I hope to bring content to give you a little education on how to build, how to produce, how to, you know what I mean, go about creating stuff.